like I'm sitting on a mountain. BBS pointers, water on me look like a fountain. Backhand vaccine, I need an accountant. Cardia, Ritalin, I don't need the vouchers.
What's good, guys? It's your girl Snkrhead Brit, and I'm back with another video, man. Hold on. How you guys been? How you guys been? Are you okay? Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2020. Can I get a round of applause, please? Okay, thank you. So guys, hold on. I know y'all see me with the do-rag on. How am I looking? How am I looking? Ooh, let me just pull it off for quite a bit. Let me just take it off. Take it off. Unravel. Hold on, drip check. Drip check. Oh, that girl looks so clean. That girl looks so nice. Yes, guys, so this is my first video of 2020, and it's also the beginning of a new series I would like to call Up Close and Personal. This is where I will be giving you guys a much closer and a detailed look on a sneaker that's in my collection. In today's video, I will be giving you an up close and personal view on the Nike Air Max Dia. I have done a shoe and a foot review already, so if you haven't already checked that out, make sure you go check that out. This is more of a 360 view, so I will not be getting into details about the sneaker. Excuse me. I will not be talking about any material or how the shoe is designed. It's just like a 360 view on the sneaker. You will not be hearing my voice throughout it. It's like a b-roll. You know, I am trying to sharpen my videographer skills, and I am no videographer, so please bear with me. What will be review is the Nike Air Max Dia. I did a review on this, so if you haven't already, make sure you go check that out. The link will be in the description down below. More content on the way for January, so you might want to subscribe, you dig, to your girl. Before we jump into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you dig, to your girl. Run that like button up, run that subscribe button up, smash the subscribe button, you dig. And comment and tell me what you guys think about my new series. Do you think it's fire? Do you think it's trash? Do you think it's a hit? Do you think it's a miss? Let me know down in the comment section down below. So without further ado, guys, let's jump into this video, man.
money talk. I just check the stats, they still waiting on me to fall. Bitch got drip like me, rockin' that Louis Leotard. These turbo Weezy beats got me singing to a guitar. Bed spread, Medusa head.